Hi, I'm Jason with Broadmoor RV SuperStore. Today we're here to look at the Jay Feather 24BH made by Jayco. Come on, let's go take a look. So on the Jay Feather 24BH, we have an outdoor kitchen. Comes with a faucet, fridge, and a J-port, which is a spot to put your barbecuer that comes with the unit itself. You also have these steps that fold in, probably one of the sturdiest in the industry. We also have a 6-gallon hot water tank that runs off of electricity and gas. The Jay Feather also has fiberglass siding with Asdale, along with pass-through storage in the front of the unit. Now that we're inside the RV, this is a bunk model, so it has double bunks. The top bunk holds 300 pounds and the bottom bunk holds 600 pounds, so you can stack 4 kids in here nicely. Got a U-shaped dinette where you can stack 6 kids into here easily. It also has an oven, microwave, and the double sink for your convenience. Towards the front of the trailer, we have a queen-size bed for mom and dad. We also have storage up front with closets and a door to run outside if you need to get away from the kids. Also in this coach, we have a 6 cubic foot fridge that runs off electricity and gas. So that's the Jay Feather 24BH made by Jayco. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, email us, or come down by the lot. We'd be glad to help you here at Broadmoor RV, where we make camping fun.